Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to use insert trigger using SQL Server. Okay, let's start. Open your SQL Server. Here I have a SQL Server 2016. Let's create a database. I will name it product. You can name it whatever you want. Let's create a table. Let us assume that we create a history for our product. I will name it product. Let's create another table for our product history. I will just copy and paste. I will name it product history. Hey, we're good to go. Okay, go to your product here, product TBL. Just collapse the plus symbol here and go to triggers. Right click and new trigger. Delete. I will delete this one, this one. Okay. I will name it history. On our product, history of our product. Okay, we're good to go. I will delete this. As you can see, there are 3 columns in our product. I will declare a parameter for that column. Declare at product ID I will just copy and paste and become lazy. Okay, we're gonna go. Just follow. I will select this product ID equals to, don't worry about product list. I will explain it later. Yes. As you can see, product list here is just a variable for inserted. Variable for inserted. That's it. That's it. Okay. We'll just copy and paste. Okay, the last statement we did is insert statement. Insert into our product history over here. Product history. Okay. And the values is product ID. It came from here. product name, and product description. Okay, we're done. Okay, let's give it a try. We'll open edit top 200. This is our product table. If I will put data here, it automatically will reflect on our product history. Okay, Acer, Aspire, B5. Okay, let me see. I will execute this. Alright, we're good. Let's give it another try. Mac, Apple, 5 kilograms. Right. Alright. Okay, but if I delete the product here from product TBL, in our history, it will not deleted. Try. Okay, we're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.